Hello everyone, this is Lily from Riotouch. Today I will share our user-managed account. In our settings, find the user-managed account. And here you can see we can add 10 user accounts. I have already added 3 accounts. I will show how to switch out your sub-account through NFC. My colleague will use NFC card to switch. Here you can see it is switching to Lulu's account. We can check. This is Lulu's account. And the Google Drive also switch to Lulu's account. I will show how to switch the sub-account through Android phone. Okay, it's switching to Sina's Android phone. Here is Sina's account. And I will show the Google account. Also switch to Sina is Google account. Next one, I will show how to switch the sub-account through fingerprints. Now this is my finger. I will press. Okay, this is switch to my account. This is my account. And my colleague also, Sina, can use her fingerprint to switch her account. Okay, this is Sina's account. Next part, I will show how to through our account through the password. Still find the setting and find the user-managed account. Now this is Sina's. If I want to switch to Lily's account, just input the password. Okay, this is Lily's. Switch to my account. This is my account. And the new file also switch to my account. Okay, thank you. This is our user-managed account. If you are interested, please contact us. Bye-bye.